Hello students, welcome back to Practice Maths. Today in this video we are going to find the solutions of partial fractions. This chapter in this exercise we are going to find the solution 7C. So it is from Intermediate Maths secondary A book. Okay, so please do guys practice more. So then only you will get more marks in your board exams. Okay, please practice more. Okay, that is the mantra for your success in maths. Okay, now starting with the first question here. Before starting to the exercise 7C, I want to say something here. So go for your 7C text in your textbook. Go for your 7C. Before that, there is 7.3.6 is the solved problems there. So these problems are very important. First problem and one problem only is there. That is a very important problem. Please do that one. After that, so you do one thing also. 7.3.5 also is there na. So this is theorem like partial fraction if given f of x divided by g of x is equal to. So here some in the like you can come down, you can see this one f of x by g of x is equal to k plus r of x divided by g of x also you will find here. So this is equal to this one. So k is equal to constant numbers 1 2 3 like this. So we have to take this type of questions and we have to solve this in the like 7C exercise. Here if you find this 7.3.6 solved problem though, you find there. Okay, so x cube is equal to, he took as 1 by 2 and 1 by 2 2x minus 1 something he took as like this. Okay na? So plus rx is taken. Okay, so here 1 by 2 is a coefficient of this one and is equal to 1 by 2 he took here. So he multiplied, okay, he multiplied everything and he got something values, and please do that one, very important for your like board exams. So if you want to get for compulsory 4 marks question or 2 marks question in this chapter, you have to do practice every solved problems also here. And here another 7.3.7 also is there na? So this is also very important here. So it will become x to the power of 4 divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 is a partial fraction is there na? So you have to find this problem also solution. So it is very important for this one also. So it will like 3 to 4 steps only, but in the like while doing this answer you will get like some important ways to solve the problem on it. Okay, so here this is very important, please solve this one also. Okay, so here while you solving the 7.3.7 na, so there you will get like x to the power of 4 is equal to, he wrote like x square plus 3x plus 7 plus 15 x minus 14 divided by x square minus 3x plus 2 he did na. So only x to the power of 4 is equal to, he want to find x to the power of 4 is equal to, so he took like this one. So okay, so if you multiply this into this will after adding this one though we will get the x to the power of 4 value, means like this is like this one, like where this one. So k plus rx divided by g of x. So what is the g of x here? Actually denominator only. So in the given question denominator only, see x square minus in that question x square minus 3x plus 2 is there na? So that denominator only comes here, and after that actually that type of denominator, not that, this is a actually what is this is k na constant term no. So k plus rx, this is r of like r of x no. So this will come here. So this type of questions will come in your in while doing 7C exercise also. So while doing I will tell you how I took those like values, and I will explain everything. Please concentration on every problem, then only you will get understand, and after you have to practice more in your rough notes and practice notes. So now start with the 7C first question here. Here given question is resolve the following fractions into a partial fractions, he asking us to find. Now solution here, what is the given question here? X square divided by x minus 1 into x minus 1, this one x minus 1 into x minus 2 is given here na. So I will take this as a 1 plus 1 is a constant, I will take a divided by x minus 1 into plus b divided by x minus 2 I will take here. Okay, so this I will take. So to find the partial fraction, so here first I will do here. So here LCM will come as this will right side of the equation x minus 1 into x minus 2 no. So this will come here. If I multiply with this one, so x minus 1 into x minus 2 will come with the 1. Okay, so after that plus x minus 1 is there already, so this will goes, and a into x minus 2 will come here, and plus b into x minus 1 will come here. So this will come here. and x square divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 will be there now, so it will become in the left side. So these two will get cancelled here and will remain x square is equal to, will get a so we'll do one thing, we'll take this one only, x minus 1 into x minus 2 directly will take, I will not multiplying these two terms. So here a into x minus 2 plus b into x minus 1. Here I will put x is equal to 1 here in this equation. So here you see this one, why I am taking x is equal to 1 means here from this factor now, so it is x minus 1, another I will take, this is 0 and x is equal to 1 will come. So here also this will x is equal to 2 will come here. These two things I will submit in this equation, then I will get the a and b value here from this one. So that's why I am taking this x minus 1 and x minus 2. So if I take x is equal to 1 though, it will become so x square is equal to means 1 square is equal to, okay, 1 square is equal to, it will become x minus 1 place low 1 I will submit here, so it will become 0 and x minus 2 1 minus, it will come 1 minus 2 plus a into 1 minus 2 plus b into 1 minus 1. So here it will become 1 is equal to, this will total become 0 and this will also 0 will come here. So this will minus a will come here, minus a. So a is equal to minus 1 we can take, okay. So this is one a value we got here, okay. Now I will take b value, so we have to find other b value, no. So I will take x is equal to, so I will put x is equal to 2 in this one. So we'll get x 2 square is equal to 4 is equal to this one, 2 square is equal to 4 here, and here x minus 1 into, like in this x 2 minus 1 into 2 minus 2, okay, plus a into 2 minus 2 plus b into 2 minus 1 will come here. So 4 is equal to, this will become total 0 because 2 minus 2 is equal to 0, 0 into something is 0. So this is also 2 minus 2 into 0, so b is equal to 1 will come here, this one b into 1, so b is equal to 4 will come here. So if I submit in this one though, in which one, in this one though, it will get as what will get here, 1 plus a is equal to how much we got, minus 1 divided by x minus 1 will get, and plus b divided by means 4 by x minus 2 will get here. So again we can do though, it will become 1 minus x by x minus 1 plus 4 divided by x minus 2 will come here. Total equation this is equal to, so x square divided by x minus 1 into x minus 2 though, okay na. So this is the end of this question. Now moving to the next question, second one. Now here second question I will take here like this. His given question is x cube divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 here given. So I will take this as x cube divided by if I multiply this to x into x square, x into plus 2x will come here and minus x will come here, okay. So x into plus 2x will come here, and another one minus 1 into plus 2 is equal to minus 2 is equal to x cube divided by x square plus x minus 2 will come here, x square plus x minus 2 will come here. I will write this as x minus 1 plus here 3x minus 2 divided by x square plus x minus 2 I will write here, okay. So how I will write here, I will explain here, okay. So if I multiply this though, okay, so here this denominator into x minus 1 I will multiply, so x minus 1 into denominator x square plus x minus 2 I will do this though, x into x square, here x into x square is equal to x cube na, so x into x square plus, okay, so x into minus 2x, so here minus 1 into x square minus x square, here minus 1 into x minus x, here minus 1 into minus 2 plus 2. So this minus x square plus x square will get cancelled here, x cube minus how much will remain, minus this one 2x minus x 3x will remain, and plus 2 will remain. After this one we have to add 3x plus 2 no, so 3x minus 2 no, x cube minus 3x plus 2 I will add 3x minus 2 will add. So here minus 3x plus 3x will get cancelled, plus 2 and minus 2 will get cancelled, so x cube will remain here. So this x cube is equal to, I will do guys this total plus this one, okay na. So you got my points. So please guys, this will come only with the practice only, and given in the example solid example 7.3.7 na, so there you will find this type of equation. I already given introduction. So x to the power of 4 divided by given you have to practice that also, so you will get a equation. Now here so what we have got here, this equation that x minus 1 plus 3x minus 2 divided by x square plus x minus 2. So this total is equal to, okay, so given x cube divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2. So this is equal to, so if we do, we got this, no, here from this I will take this part, okay, which one, this part, 3x minus 2 divided by x square plus x minus 2 here is equal to, I will take this as a divided by so a divided by x minus 1 and plus b divided by x minus 2 I will take here. So this is only na, so if I multiply this, so it will come na, so these 2 will get cancelled here, 3x, so LCM will come, so it will become 3x minus 2 is equal to a into LCM is equal to how much, x minus 2 plus b into x minus will come here, so in this one. So where so I will take x is equal to values here, x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2, and I will put x is equal to 1 first here in this equation. So it will get, we will get here if I 3 into 1 means 3 minus 2 is equal to a into 1 minus 2 plus b into 1 minus 1 will come here. This will become 0 na, so it will become 1 is equal to, so this is minus a is equal to, from this one a is equal to will get as minus 1. Now I will put x is equal to in this equation as a minus 2 I will take, because x plus 2, no, here this one, okay, this will become x plus 2, so then I will take x is equal to minus 2 I will take in this one. So it will become 3 into x is equal to means minus 6 minus 2 will come here, so a into minus 2 will come here plus b into, so here hello students, sorry students, here this is x plus 2, I forgot this is x plus 2, it will become 3 will come, 3a is equal to, no, so a is equal to 1 by 3 will come, sorry students, so please concentration on this one, sorry I did mistake here. So this is plus 1, okay, I got here the value, okay, so here 2 minus 2 minus 1 will come here, so it will become 8 will come here, minus 8, and it will become minus it will become minus 2 plus 2 equals 0, okay, here minus 3 into b will come here. So b is equal to how much we will get here, b is equal to 8 by minus 8 by minus 3 will get here, minus minus will get cancelled, so it will become b is equal to 8 by 3 will come here. So I will submit this a and b value in this equation, so this equation, so it will become how much will come here, what we have got here, a is equal to 1 by 3, no, so 1 by 3 into x minus 1 will come plus b is equal to 8 by 3 into x plus 2 will come here. So this only this equation, okay na, so after we have to x minus 1 also this is there na, so x cube divided by x minus 1 into x plus 2 is equal to, so this x minus 1 into, so plus here, so not into, plus 1 divided by 3 into x minus 1 plus 8 divided by 3 into x plus 2 will come here. So this is the end of this question, this is answer here. So I did simple mistake here, that will lead to wrong sometimes, so please don't mind. So I will go for the third question here. Now third question is given that x cube divided by 2x minus 1 into x minus 1 whole square is given na, so I will take this as x cube divided by 2x minus 1 into x minus 1 into x minus 1 I will take here, okay, so this is, so it will become a divided by 2x minus 1 plus b divided by x minus 1 and plus c divided by x minus 1 whole square I will take here, okay, x minus 1 whole square, so this will multiply the, so it will separate from this one, so I will take this one. Now here I will add 1 by 2, so why I am adding 1 by 2 means, so this 1 by 2 why I am adding means, here you find in the 7.3.6 solved problems you will find there. So here what the solution is given, the given fraction is improper with the degree of numerator equal to the degree of denominator. So note that here x cube is equal to 1 by 2 into, so 1 by 2 into there na, so that's 1 by 2 I took here to find the solution of this one. So actually this numerator maximum equal to denominator, numerator equal to denominator has to, no, so here the fraction improper with the degree of numerator equal to degree of the denominator, so that's why we will take this one, okay. So this is given in the example 7.3.6, the problems, all problems, okay. Now I will do this solution here. So it will become x cube divided by 2x minus 1 into x minus 1 whole square is equal to, so this I will LCM of these three strings, it will become so it will become divided by 2 into 2x minus 1 into x minus 1 whole square will come here. So here 2 is there, denominator 2 will there, so remaining terms will come here, means 2x minus 1 into x minus 1 whole square, like in the numerator in this place. Okay, so after this a into, so a into will goes now this one, so it will become 2 into x minus 1 whole square will come here. After this one it will become plus b into, so 2 into, so 2 will come here, always 2 will come for this one, so here 2 into, so x minus 1 will only go now, so it will become 2 into 2x minus 1 into x minus 1 will come here. So after that c into x minus 2 x minus 1 whole square will goes now, so it will become 2 into c 2 into 2x minus 1 will come here, so this will come here. So after this denominator will get cancelled here, another 2 is also there now, so 2 will come this side, it will become 2x cube into, so this total equation 2x minus 1 into x minus 1 whole square plus 2a into x minus 1 whole square plus 2b into 2x minus 1 into x minus 1 will come here plus 2c into 2x minus 1 will come here. So this will total will get here. So from this we have to put the values here. Okay, first I will take I will put here x is equal to 1 in this equation, so this from x minus 1 into, okay, I will submit in this equation, so it will become 2 will come here is equal to, so it will become 2 minus 1 will come here 0 will come 0 square plus, because x in the x place I will submit 1, so it will become 1 minus 1 0 0 square 2a into, so this is also 0 will come 0 whole square, means that will come here. In this I will submit 2b into 2 minus 1 will come here, in this one though it will become 0 will come here, x minus x 1 minus 1 plus 2 into 2x minus 1 will come here, means 1 will come here, so this will come. So where 2 is equal to this will total will become 0, this will become 0, and this will become 0, it will become here what, how much is there, this x is equal to now, so 2c, so 2c is equal to, so here this will become 1 now, so 1 will come, 2c is equal to 2 will come here. From this c is equal to 2 by 2 will come here, 2 1 will get cancel here, c is equal to 1 will come here. So if I put x is equal to 1 by 2, so why 1 by 2 means here from this, okay, x is equal to 1 by 2 will come here, see here, okay, this is. So if I submit 1 by 2, though it will become 1 by 2 to the 4 4 to the 8, means 2 by 8 will come here. So 2 into 1 by 8 will come here and is equal to, see here, if I put in this given equation this only, no? So in this I will put 1 by 2, so it will become 2 will get cancelled, 1 will remain, 1 minus 1 is equal to 0, no? So this will be, the 0 will be remain here. X in place I am writing is 1 by 2 here minus 1 whole square plus 2a into, so this one 1 by 2 minus 1 whole square here plus 2b into, so in this place also if I take 1 by 2, no, 2 1 2 will get cancelled, it will become 0 will come here into x minus 1 will come plus 2 into this is also will become 0 will come here. Now it will become 2 1 ja 2 4 ja 1 by 4 will come here, it will also 0, and so this will become 0 and this will become 0, so will remain here 2a is equal to 2a 2 1 ja 2, and it will become minus 1 will square equal to this one only, it will become a is equal to how much will come here, a is equal to 2 will go there, and 2 by 4 will come here, 2 by 4 will come here. Here students, you see here 1 by 2 minus 1 is there, na? So it will become here 1 by 4 will come actually, okay. So here 4 will get, na? So it will become, sorry, this one not the answer, here 1 by 4 is equal to 2a into 1 by 4 will come here, so this 4 will get cancelled here, a is equal to 1 by 2 will come here. So what we have got, a is equal to 1 by 2 and c is equal to 1 we got here, these two values we got. What we have to find, another b value we have to find here, okay. So in this equation again I will put x is equal to 0 here, so why I am putting here, because I have to find the value of b value, no, so that's why I am taking this one. So if submit, though it will become 0, though it will become 0 will come is equal to left side here this one, and after the one this one is a 2 minus 1 1 will come here, 1 minus 1 minus 1 plus 1 come, 1 into 1 will come here, so here what will come here, 1 into 1 will come here, 1 into 1, okay. in the 2a place, there if we submit this is 1 to, so 0 to it will become 1 only come here, 2a will come here, 2a into 1 will come, and plus here I will submit 0 to it will become minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1, here plus 2b will come here, plus 2b, 1 will come here, and here what will come here, plus 2 into 2c into, if I submit 0 to it will become 2 minus 1 minus 1, 1 will come here, 1 will come, so 1 will come, where if I 2 into 0 plus minus 1, so it will become 2 0 minus 1 come, minus 1, sorry, here minus 1 will come here, so minus 1 into this 2c is equal to minus 2c. So this I will write in the next page. So here what we have got, 0 is equal to 1 into 1 into, and here 2a plus plus 2a plus 2b minus 2c we got here, okay, minus 2c, this is okay, here minus 1 into 2c minus 2c. Now so minus 2c we got now, so in this 0 is equal to 1 plus 2a plus 2b minus 2c. So already values a is equal to we know, and c is equal to 1 we know, so a is equal to 1 by 2 we know already. So these two values I will submit in this equation to get the value of b value, okay. So here in this we will get b, so this I will take to this one, 2c is equal to 1 plus 2a plus 2b. So okay, so c is equal to how much, 1 is equal to 1 plus 2a is equal to 1 by 2 plus 2b will come here, so 2 will get cancelled, this will become 2 will come here, 2 into 1 is equal to, so how much will come here, 1 plus 2b will come here, so 2 this 2 plus 2b will come here, okay, this is equal to 2 will come, so what we can write it as, okay, how much value we have to find, 0, okay. So I will common 2 from these two terms, it will become 2 into 1 plus b will come here, so 1 plus b will come here. So here my dear students, here minus 1 will come, because in this in the last page we will see here. So if I submit 0, x is equal to 0, so here 0 minus 1 will come na, so this one in this place, if I submit in this minus 0, though it will become minus 1 will come, minus 1 into plus 1 will come here, minus 1 into 1 come. So here the total will wrong goes here, minus 1 come, minus 1 come, minus 1 will come, okay, sorry I did mistake here, minus 1 will come here, okay, minus 1 will come. So this minus 1 plus 1 will become 0, okay, this will become 0. So here 2 is equal to 2b will come, here b is equal to 2 by 2 will come, 2 1 ja will get cancelled, b is equal to 1 will come. So sometimes mistakes will goes, but in this time I did 2 mistakes now in this video, sorry. So here answer is will become x cube divided by what is the question, 2x minus 1 into x minus 1 whole square na, so is equal to 1 by 2 into a is equal to how much we got, 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into 2x minus 1 will get, okay, plus b is equal to how much we got, 1 by x minus 1 will get here, plus c is equal to 1 by x minus 1 will get here. So this is end of the question here, this is answer here for this is x minus 1 whole square here, okay. Now moving to the fourth one. Now fourth question is given that x cube divided by x minus a into x minus b into x minus c is equal to, I will write this as 1 plus a divided by x minus a plus b divided by x minus b plus c divided by x minus c I will write here, okay. So here x cube divided by x minus a into x minus b into x minus c will come here. So in this I will submit the values, so it will become, so the LCM is will come as x minus a into x minus b into x minus c will come here. So if I multiply this cross multiplication, so it will become x minus a into x minus b into x minus c will come here, plus a into x minus a will goes now from this, x minus b into x minus c will remain, and after that plus b into x minus a into x minus c will remain, and plus c into x minus a and x minus b will remain into x minus b. So this will remain here. So this denominator will get cancelled here, and x cube is equal to, so this total will become x minus a into x minus b into x minus c will come here, and from this a into x minus b into x minus c will come here, and plus b into x minus a into x minus c will come here, plus c into x minus a into x minus b will come here. So I will put x is equal to a in this one, so it will become 0. Okay, so x cube, a is equal to means a cube is equal to this. In this place I will submit a, so it will become 0, so total will become 0, plus in this a into x minus a into x minus c will come here, so x minus b into this will remain here, and after that this is also 0 will come, and in this also 0 will come here. So in this place I will submit x to a, so here it will come. Now a cube is equal to what we have got here, a cube is equal to a into x minus b into x minus c will get here. What is the value of a here? A is equal to a cube divided by x minus b into x minus c will get here. Similarly b cube also will get as 0 plus b into, so b into what we have here, b into x minus a into x plus c will get, x minus a into x minus c will get here, is equal to, we can write it as b cube is equal to b into x minus a into x minus c here, is equal to b cube divided by we can write it as b is equal to, okay, b is equal to a cube divided b cube divided by x minus a into x minus c will come here. Similarly c cube also will come here, 0 plus c into x minus a into x minus b will come here. So from this, because I am submitting the values in this one, so it will become zeros will come, so this will become 0, this will become 0 if I submit c, x is equal to c, okay. So c cube is equal to c into x minus a into x minus b will come, so this value will come here. So c cube divided by, what is the c value, c cube divided by x minus a into x minus b will come here. So these values I will submit in this equation, so it will become, the answer will become, okay. So it will become 1 plus a is equal to how much, a cube divided by a cube divided by, so this total x minus b into x minus c, here x minus a already there, so x minus a into x minus b into x minus c will come here. So here plus b cube into b cube divided by same denominator only will come here, because x minus a into x minus c, the x minus b also there, x minus a into x minus b into x minus c, so plus c cube divided by same value x minus a into x minus b into x minus c will come here. So this is the answer for this given question here. So please guys do practice and clearly write down your notes, okay. Now this is end of this exercise 7c. So please guys, this will 7c is a very important exercise. If you practice more, though, only you will get the understanding of this exercise, okay. Practice number of times. So this is end of this exercise. Please do guys share and subscribe to my channel, so it will help me also, help you also, and subscribe karo. So share to your friends who are needing these chapters, okay. Thank you guys.